These 6 skills that I'm going to share with you in this video make me millions of naira in just 1 year, right? And I want you to copy this as well so you too can get to stand out and make some money for yourself, even if it's not your main income, just like a side hustle and anything of such, right? And the very first thing I started out online with that helped me make millions of naira in the online space is blogging, right? It's not even about you having a particular website to publish news or all of those things. No. So although I have a website, when I start out, I have a website, and all I do on this website is to focus on a niche, right? So I focus on health and fitness, right? And this is how I've been able to generate tons of money because my website is niche to health and fitness. So anybody that came across my website knows is about health and fitness, right? And aside that, it's not about the AdSense or the revenue that Google or any other ad manager is sharing to a blogger. So I leverage on something which is my number two, affiliate marketing. So all this does is you sell a particular product to people that are needed and you earn a profitable commission, right? So this simply means if you want to buy a pen now and I know someone that sells pen but you don't, I can just refer you to the person and I get commission when you buy the pen. This is something like affiliate marketing is all about. So I use that to make money through my blogging as well. So when I write my article to publish, I embed a suitable affiliate link in my article so people that read my article can get to click on it and want to know more. When they get to buy, I make money for myself. So these two join together to make me millions of naira when I start out online, which is blogging and affiliate marketing. And the next thing, which is number three, is writing and proofreading. You know, I started this out as a freelancer, rendering my service on Fiverr and Upwork. A lot of people have these documents that they wrote down or they download or anything they want to use it for, I don't know. So they want you to edit it and they want you to proofread. But based on my knowledge as a blogger that is writing a lot of article every other day to post online, and as an affiliate marketer that is putting out content in a particular niche to sell a product, I have the full knowledge on how tone work when I'm editing and proofreading. So I just list out my service on the freelance platform like Fiverr and Upwork, and I get to sell my service to people to proofread their book, to proofread their documents, to edit and do all of those things for them. And I charge between $15 per 1,000 words to $100 for a whole book, right? So that's how I was able to generate some income for myself in millions of naira in the online space. And the next one, which is one of my recent, and how I make I make millions of naira in a single year, is creating and selling digital products. This also helps, and I must say I make a lot of money because I scale up to 15 million naira in a single month, and that's just a milestone for me. Like starting out to sell a product online and I hit that figure, it's just something amazing and something interesting to do every other time. So this is something we can do, and I shared my exact strategy on how I started online to make my very first $1,000 selling digital products in the online space. If you want to watch that video, click this link showing right here now so you can get to watch it and you can get to copy my step and you can get to start this process all the way together. And before I mention the last two, like I want to mention to you, if you want me to teach a full tutorial on each of these things, comment the one that you want me to teach in the description down this video, and I'm going to take my time, record all of this video. Even if it's a series, I'm going to do all of this for you so you can have the knowledge and you can copy me to make that money for yourself, or even more, depends on your devotion and your time to implement, right? And the next one I leverage on is video editing. All of my YouTube video, I edit them myself, although even if it's minimal, I understand that fact because I'm not that expert, I'm just an intermediate, and that's what's perfect for me. And even with my experience, I've made over $1,000 rendering this service to people. And this is how I start out. I still start my service on freelance marketplace as a Zoom video editor. Zoom video editor. This helped me niche myself down to only people that are business owner that they have Zoom meetings and they want to keep that record. So I just edit them for them and I get paid in the online space. And although I do some short scripts as well, so I keep that focus and I make the money I deserve. The thing is that the arc right here is I have a clear goal budget that I want to hit. So I don't want to any excuse that's going to hinder me to achieve that thing. I just want to achieve it as much as I can. And the last one I leverage on to make that kind of money that makes me millions of naira is selling courses, right? After a lot of experience, I've been working online since 2018. After like 5 years of experience right now, I think, no, after 6 to 7 years of experience in the online space, so I create a lot of courses around my knowledge, which is best known. I create about freelancing, digital assets, affiliate marketing, and much more around everything I do on a daily basis. And if you want to visit my classroom, you want to see all of my courses, you can click the link below, which is Visit My Academy. You can see all I have in my bank, in my academy bank. So if you want to take any action on anyone, just click on it and it's going to take all of the things that you need to do along with you, right? So these are the 6 digital skills that I master to make millions of naira in a single year. And I hope you can get to leverage on them one after the other. Just take yourself, just prepare your mind and take a step at a time, right? So you can get to grow every other day within yourself. So like I said earlier, if you want me to teach a full training, a full course on each of these, just drop the name below. If it's blogging, drop blogging. If it's affiliate marketing, drop affiliate marketing. I'm going to walk you through all of this process on how you can start and scale and be profitable in any of these in the online space, right? So if that being said, guys, I hope you subscribe to this channel, like this video, share with your friend, and the next one, stay peace. I will see you there.